naging relationship yung dalawa, Sam, I'll give you the chance to tell her how much you love her right now. What would you like to say?
um, sis, I don't know. You don't understand how glad I am to have you here. It's been so long we haven't been able to hang out, and I don't want you to go back. I want you to stay here. I want Lona to stay here, and thank you for always being the leader to me, for someone to just be my role model, actually. And I love you. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you for the
Well said.
message.
You know, somehow, to see your relationship together, parang it inspires a lot of people. Now, Sam, of course, ang pag-usapan naman natin yung journey na pinagdaanan mo. They say that in life, it entails a lot of risk. Pero hindi mo talaga alam kung ano magiging kapalaran mo unless you take the chance. Now, 4 months ago, nagkaroon ka ng leap of faith, pinursue mo yung Hollywood dream mo. So tell us about that journey. I mean, ano yung pakiramdam mo mag-auditions, international arena of acting? Was it difficult?
Lalo na yung first, kasi syempre dito sa Pilipinas, pag may pangalan ka na, hindi ka naman nag-audition. So, yung mga first auditions, nanibago ako.
Was it a humbling experience?
It was. I mean, lalo ako na-appreciate yung mga, yung nangyayari ko sa buhay ko dito, sa career ko dito. Syempre, not having to audition, and then ABS-CBN just giving me, blessing me with so many projects. But the experience there also, it was a confidence booster para sa akin. Kasi syempre, it is Hollywood, it is international, yung mga nag-audition, and the amazing feedback that they were giving me, and they're like, wow, and you're like, oh, come meet our associate, ganun, and it was, and even the fact na yung agent that got me one of the top in Hollywood. So
and very enthusiastic sila sa'yo.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, Sam, what a lot of people don't realize, pati si Renee Zellweger, di ba?
Yes.
It took her 9 years of auditioning bago talaga siya na-discover. So
I think it was Jerry Maguire when took her 9 years.
That was her first project.
Yeah.
Pero Sam, as you look back sa journey na pinagdaanan mo in the past 4 months, ano yung naging realization mo or natutunan mo sa buhay?
You know, it's weird. Syempre, nasa New York ako. And I would say for the 7 years I've been in showbiz dito, it was weird kasi nung nasa New York ako, sobrang naging inspired ako. Even with music, I've said this before, yung love ko sa music bumalik, and just, I feel different. Talagang yung desire, yung passion ko na gumaling sa craft, sa music, sa lahat. It's just talagang gustong-gusto ko. Yung parang ganun, just like, I really, this is what I want to do. And I saw more of a vision. Na yun, ito talagang gusto kong gawin. Even with music.
So does that mean you're turning your back dito sa showbiz sa Philippines?
No, of course. Pabalik-balik naman ako. Ngayon, dito, because I'm doing a teleserye.
With Julian Santos.
Yes.
Pero teka muna, bago natin pag-usapan yan, you mentioned that you're inspired. And speaking of inspiration, there's been much talk about this beautiful girl named Candice Kai Kendall. Is that correct? And at balita ko, former beauty queen to, ha?
She was Miss Teen USA 2006, I believe.
New York, right?
Yes.
Miss New York. How did you guys meet?
It was at an agency. It was at a modeling agency, actually, and we became friends. And I said this sa Bandila, and I don't know if a lot of people are thinking the wrong thing, pero I knew from the start, my boyfriend siya. My boyfriend siya. Kaya yun ang I mean,
but you like her.
I do like her. Pero yun, I mean, we can't.
Are you willing to wait for her?
Because of the fact na alam ko my boyfriend siya, of course, I don't allow myself to be like, oh, in love na ako, or you know what I mean? I have my own reservations naman. I mean, that would be wrong for me to fall for a girl na my boyfriend na, and then, at the same time, because of my boyfriend siya, hindi naman kami nag-uusap lagi, or it's weird seeing myself, guys. But she is not. We've only known each other for a month, and we keep in touch. Just as, we're friends, and I like her. Her values and everything, matalino and very nice.
Well, there's nothing wrong with liking somebody, Sam, di ba? And in proper time, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Pero bago yan, Sa pagbalik mo naman dito, meron kang bagong teleserye kasama, of course, si
Yes,
Judy
Judy